morning everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So kids, today I am going to take your GK class. And today we have got the new chapter. It is People Who Help Us. I repeat, people who help us. So kids, students, there are many people who help us in our day-to-day life. Do you know who are those people? Now, let me tell you who are those people. Can you see the picture? Guess. Yes, it's a teacher. Teacher is very important person in our life. Yes, because why is she important? Why is he or she important to us? Yes, because she or he teaches us and make us learn new things. Yes, who am I? Come on. Yes, I am also your teacher. Yes, do you come to school? You see many teachers here. There are many teachers, right? Like your class teacher, your subject teacher, your sports teacher. So they are very important to us because they teach us new things. They help us to grow our future. In future, how big we will become? We will become bigger and bigger. These teachers and sirs help us to grow well. We come here as the discipline and tell us the new things. Okay kids? Now let's go to the next person who help us in our life. Now let me show you the next picture. Who is he? Yes, you have guessed right. He is a policeman. Policeman. Who is a policeman? Policeman is the person who protects us from thieves, burglars, and they keep us safe and put the criminals in the jail. So policeman is also very important in our life, right? Because they keep us in security. Whenever we are in trouble, they comes us. And what is the police number? Emergency number when you are somewhere in trouble? I have explained you before also. Yeah, it's 100. What is the emergency number through which we can call the policeman? It's 100. Right, 100. Now kids, let's move to the other person who helps in our daily life. Now can you see the other picture? Who is he? Come on, tell me. Yes, he is a farmer. Farmer is a very important person in our life. Why? Because he grows crops. Crops like wheat, rice, sugar, pulses. When he grows, then only it comes to us and then only we can have our food. So we have to always respect our farmers, right? And we have to be very grateful to them. Because if they don't grow the crops, we cannot have our food. So farmer is also very important in our life. So kids, you have to respect the farmers. Okay? Fine kids. Now let's move on to the next person. Look at the picture. Yeah. Who is he? Come on, tell me. Yes, he is a mason. Mason is a person who constructs the building, who constructs our house, the house we live in, the school where we study. These all are made up by a mason, right? Through bricks and cement, he put the bricks and cement, then only it is getting constructed. So kids, mason is also very important to our in life. If he doesn't construct the house or any building, so how can we live inside? Fine. And how where we live together with our family, right? So Mason is also a very important person in our life. Now kids, let's move to the next picture. Come on, look here. Yes, who is he? Tell me the name. Yes, he is a tailor. Tailor stitches our new clothes. We give them a raw cloth and he make it very beautiful dress. For girls, he make it very beautiful. Even for the boys also, they make it very beautiful shirt, t-shirt and pants. So, tailor is also important. If he doesn't stitch our clothes, then how will I wear? Fine, each and every cloth is being stitched by the tailor. So, this is also very important. He is also very important in our life. Fine kids? I think you are understanding well? Fine? Good. Now, let's move to the next person. The person who is important in our life. Come on. Who is he? Yes, he is a grocer. Who is he? He is the grocer. You watch your mama papa na? When your mama papa go to the grocer, what does they buy? They buy rice, pulses, even you get chocolates and chips from the grocer, right? Right? Yes. So are they important to us? Yes, they are important because they sell the grocer things like pulses, rice and wheat so that we can get it at home and eat them. Fine kids? So this person is also very important to us. Now let me show you the other picture. Look here. Who is he? Yes, you can identify. Yes, he is a doctor. Right. Doctor is a doctor. What do doctor do? Yes, doctor help us in treating us whenever we get sick. Who help us? He help us. He treats us. He gives us medicine so that we can become healthy and fine. Whenever we get sick, your mama papa take to the doctor now? Yes, so he is also very important. If you get sick, then how could you, if doctor won't be there, how could you get well? So, doctor is also very important in our life and we should be very thankful to him. Right? Now, next, let me show you the other picture. Who is she? Yes, she is a nurse. Where do you see the nurse? You see in the hospital. Yes, as doctors treat us, they give us medicine, but nurses in the hospital help us in making us well. Whenever somebody gets admitted in the hospital, so the nurse help us in giving the medicines, taking care of us. So nurse is also very important in our life. Fine kid? So the last picture, let me show you. Who is he? Come on, tell me. Yes, he is a carpenter. Carpenter is who is he? Carpenter is a person who makes wooden things like your table, chair, your almirahs, your bed. So fine. If carpenter won't be there, then how will you sit at your table and chair? He makes the beautiful table and chair so that you can sit and study well. So kids, these all are the people who will help us and they are very important to us, and each and every person, you should respect them. You should give thanks to them. You should always say thanks to these all people who help us in our life. Fine kids? So I hope you must have understand the people in our life who help us. So now kids, take out your book, page number 13. Page number, I repeat, page number 13, chapter 9. Fine, kids? Okay, kids. Now, can you see the page? Yes, it's chapter 9. And what is the chapter name? People who help us. Repeat after me. People who help us. Right, kids? Now, from the first line, read along with me. There are many people who help us in our day-to-day life. Some such people are shown below. Complete their names by filling in the missing letters. You can see the pictures here. Fine. Now, let's go to the first picture. Who is she, kids? Yes, what I've taught? Teacher. So, there are some missing letters here. Fine. So, T-E. After E, it will be A. Write along with me. A, C, H, E, R. Again, T, E, A, C, H, E, R. She is a teacher. Fine. Now next picture. Who is he? I've told you. Right. He is a policeman. So let's see the spelling. What are the missing letters? Let us see. P, O, L, I, C, E, M, A, N. Okay, kids. Again, I am repeating the spelling. P, O, L, I, C, E, M, A, N. Policeman. Right? Now, look at the third picture. Who is he? He is very important to us. Yes, he is a farmer. So, what is the spelling of farmer? F, A, R, M, E, R. F, A, R, M, E, R. Farmer. Fine. Now, let's come to the next fourth picture. Who is he? I've told you who constructs the building. Yes, he is a mason. And the spelling of mason is M, A, S, O, N. I repeat, M, A, S, O, N. Mason. Fine, kids? So, now come to the fifth picture. Who is he? Who stitches our clothes? Yes, he is a tailor. Come on, let's write down the spelling of tailor. It's T, A, I, L, O, R. T, A, I, L, O, R. Tailor. Fine, kids? I think you are writing along with me. Right? Now, let's move to the sixth picture. He is a Grocer, right. So, the spelling of grocer is G-R, let's write down R-O-C-E-R. I repeat, G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer. Okay kids, now let's come to the 7th picture. Who is she? I've told you, yes, she is a nurse. Come on, now let's write down the spelling of nurse. It's N-U-R-S-E. I repeat, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Fine. Now let's move to the next picture. Who is he? He's cutting a wood. Yes, he is a carpenter who makes table and chair, wooden work. Right? Now let's write down the carpenter. Car, C-A-R, car. P-E, pen. T-E-R, carpenter. How will we spell? It's carpenter. So, together it's a carpenter. Fine kids? Now, let's move to the last picture. Who is he? Yeah, he treats us when we get sick. Yes, he is a doctor. So, let's write down the spelling of doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Fine kids? Now we have done all the spellings of these helpers. Now, in the blue box, let's read. There are few more things to know. Know to grow. A dentist is a doctor who treats teeth related alignments. Who is the dentist? Dentist is a doctor who treat our teeth. When we have pain in our teeth or when we get cavity in our teeth, we go to the dentist. The doctor who treats the teeth is called a dentist. Who is he called? Dentist. Fine kids? Now next, a person who sells vegetable is called a greengrocer. Who is a greengrocer? Who sells vegetables. Vegetables are green, right? Most of the vegetables are green. That's why he is called a greengrocer. So, whenever now you go outside, you will tell your mama, Mama, look, he is a greengrocer. Fine kids? So, person who sells a vegetable is a greengrocer. So, kids, now we have done this. I hope you all have understood. Fine kids. Now complete your page and be safe. Bye. Thank you.